Hi guys, hi. Today we will be discussing regarding Rupa and Company. So this particular stock is looking great in terms of technical parameters, and as well as we've seen significant amount of buying. So let us observe this particular stock. So this is the monthly time frame analysis of Rupa. As you can easily see that the stock was in the downtrend, and then find it gave a breakout from the downtrend, and it's trending up since then. As you can see, it's a clear up move, one way direction move, backed by a higher amount of volumes again. And the volumes are pretty much huge, as you can see that last 3 months there has been significant amount of buying in this particular counter, and this counter looks really promising considering uh, the technical parameters on the monthly time frame analysis as well. So the stock is at resistance levels, if you can observe. So this was the erstwhile resistance level, and the stock is trying to trend up from this zone. It's trying to push it again, which is backed by a huge amount of volume. I mean, the volume, it is shrinking by month on month basis, but still the volume is pretty much above average. So let us deep dive into the weekly analysis of this stock and analyze what are the further targets over the stop loss levels for this counter. And one more thing over here is that the RS has turned positive. As you can see, it's just trading above zero levels, and the RSI is also above 76 levels on a monthly time frame analysis. So from a swing trading perspective, let us see how it goes on a weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame analysis, it's a different pattern that has been happening. It's completely a bullish pattern that has been taking place in this particular counter. So if you can observe this particular downtrend got broken out at these levels, and the stock has been trending up since then. So it was forming a typical lower high lower low formation, and it gave a breakout at these levels. The stock RS has been trending up as well as in the weekly time frame, and the RSI is also above 70 75 levels. So after breaking out from these levels, as you can observe, the stock was moving in a very narrow range for a couple of weeks. A certain amount of accumulation has happened in this particular period as well, and it gave a big breakout. The green candle over here in this particular week, the 24th May, ending 24th May, and the 31st May. So these 2 weeks were pretty much important for Rupa. So it gave a huge amount uh, of buying had happened in this particular time frame, and you can see again the stock is trying to move up. So this particular pattern is known as a flag pattern. So this flag pattern is pretty much bullish. The stock is at as its resistance level, and I believe, considering the amount of volume and the amount of bullishness in the nature of the script, I believe that the stock is going to again move up to these levels, to 580s, 585 levels. So on a weekly time frame analysis, we should look at entering into this particular counter at current market price at above 520 levels. The stock has given a great closing today. So for a target of around 585's levels, with a stop loss of, I believe, 450s, for 455 would do fine. The volume has been great in this counter. So let us look at how the daily time frame analysis look like. So we've identified the stop loss, and we've identified the weekly time frame analysis, like the targets on weekly basis. So on a daily time frame, every stock has a different nature by itself. If you can just observe over here, if you can observe it over here, the stock is trading in a very narrow range. Like this couple of days, it was trading in this particular range with no or negligible volumes. There wasn't any such great volume. So it gave finally broke out, and again the stock is trading in particular range. And again it's trying to break out from these levels. So it is forming a kind of a base at these levels, that this should be our ideal kind of a support zone for this counter. So I believe that 452, 450s level is the ideal place where you can safely keep your stop loss for the targets of 580 on a swing basis, which is the erstwhile resistance zone of the counter. Yeah, the erstwhile high. Above 585, it will be under the uncharted territory, and the stock is poised for a up move. So I believe this counter is going to do well, and the RS is positive. The RSI is also trending up. I believe the stock has great potential. So if you are entering this counter, do manage your risk properly and keep a proper stop loss. And if you like my video, then please share across with your friends and families, and do subscribe my channel for further more updates. I'll keep on sharing further educational videos on stocks and on various other technical parameters and technical indicators. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.